23 hours a day in a small cell like this without any form of communication with anyone. This would have been the ultimate punishment for anyone. How Madiba and the others survived this process of breaking them down is quite incredible. But this is what we have to be grateful for their struggle, their persistence, their courage, had the ability to survive this. This was clearly meant to break anyone's spirit, to break them down, but they didn't succeed. And Nelson Mandela, Walter Sisulu, Govan Mbeki, and many others were still able to retain their dignity, retain courage to come out of here sane without being broken down, and has the ability to be able to lead us to freedom. So today we are grateful, and this must be memorialized for eternity. And we must be grateful for people like Nelson Mandela who have survived this and to have come out of here and been more encouraged, with great courage to come and lead our struggle to victory. So I'm truly humbled to have this opportunity to be in Nelson Mandela's cell and to remember him fondly, but particularly on the day that the ANC was formed. This